In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add custom fields to Apollo.io so you can personalize your data and make the most out of this powerful software. If you're new to Apollo.io, it's a robust tool for managing and enhancing your sales and marketing strategies, and customizing your data fields will take your workflow to the next level. Adding custom fields in Apollo.io is a great way to tailor the CRM to fit your specific needs. Whether you're managing contacts, companies, or deals, creating these fields can help you capture and organize information more effectively. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Apollo.io dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Settings section, which can be found in the bottom left corner. You're looking for the Custom Fields tab. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page where you can create and manage your custom fields. Now, you're going to see the option to add a new custom field. Click on Add Custom Field, and you'll be presented with a form where you can choose the type of field you want to create. Apollo.io gives you several options: text, number, date, dropdown, checkbox, and more. This flexibility allows you to create fields that match the specific data you're trying to capture. For example, let's say you're running a sales campaign and you want to track the specific source of each lead. You can create a drop-down custom field called Lead Source with options like website, email campaign, referral, or social media. This helps you easily sort and filter your leads later on. Once you've selected the type of custom field, give it a name that makes sense for your team. Then, if applicable, fill in any additional details. For drop-down fields, you'll be able to add the different options you want to appear. With checkboxes, you can create multiple selectable options for a single entry. After you've named the field and set it up, you'll click Save to add it. The field will now appear in your contact, company, or deal records, depending on where you chose to implement it. If you want, you can even make certain fields mandatory, ensuring that the necessary data is always captured. Custom fields in Apollo.io also sync seamlessly with the rest of the system. This means that when you enter new data or update an existing record, your custom fields will be available for you to fill out, just like the standard fields. One thing I highly recommend is making sure your custom fields align with your team's goals. This way, everyone in your organization can easily track the same metrics, and you'll have a consistent flow of information. Now here's a quick tip. Once you start using custom fields, make sure to keep them updated regularly. If you're using Apollo.io to track leads and sales, the more accurate your custom fields are, the better insights you'll get into your data. Before you go, remember that you can try out Apollo.io completely for free through the first link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses just for you. And if you're looking to get more out of Apollo.io, keep watching, because I'll share some advanced tips on custom field usage in future videos. If you haven't yet, click the link to start your extended free trial of Apollo.io and make sure you're using this tool to its full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.